Okay friends, today we are going to discuss about the ER diagram, that is entity relationship diagram. So what is the need of that diagram? The need of that diagram is जब आपको कोई हिस्ट्री को पढ़ना हो, if you want to read an history then it takes time and boring. But if you have some diagrammatic representation, then it is very easy. Okay, in one shot. Okay. This is the ER diagram for a student and teacher. So we use the ER diagram. It's a way of student versus teachers, or student with teachers, student with classes. This ER diagram shows the relation between student, teacher, and maybe some other responsible entities or attributes may be added here. So here we can take only student, class, subject, and lectures as the entity for any teaching environment. In the teaching environment, the both four things are necessary. First, if you are a student, then as a student, we require some attributes. There are some attributes of student, so we can identify this is a student. Now, every student have their name, the student ID, or like PRN number or any other roll number or any other number provided by the university. Then class ID, then address of students, and every student attends classes. The classes have some class ID. What is the name of your class? What is the ID of your class? C17 is the class ID for you. Then description of class, O building or S building, this is S building. Then there is a relation with lecturers or lectures. You are here for lectures. Lectures, or you may write here teachers or professors who can teach you. Then lectures or lecturers, here you may use professor. In place of lecturer, if you are a college student, then you may use the professor. Professor takes lectures or classes. Professor teaches subjects. Subject has to teach in a classroom. Then class ID, then subject ID, then subject name, then subject code may be used here, no problem. It's depend on you. You can also use the subject code. Now every professor have their personal ID, so you can write the professor ID. Then professor name of the professor. Then just class code there is some class ID. Then the subjects start by the professor. Like I am teaching you the DBMS subject, so here you can write the DBMS. If any particular subject for you, then you can write the particular subject. Okay. Then each and every entity have to present in a tabular form. It may also be present in a tabular form. In table, you look student table. In case of student table, you may use some categories like student name. So here you use for student name. Then student ID. And this is the table for student. Then you can use address. Then subjects. You can also use subject. If here subject is not given, then you can write here the subject in which the student take the admission. So here you can also use the subject. or branch. You can also write here branch. You are a student of engineering branch, so you can write here the branch name. Thank you very much.